Team, we're gonna be doing some awesome cheesesteak sliders in the Ninja FOODI Grill and Griddle coming up. It's Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, welcome to my kitchen. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, don't worry about that noise in the background. It's just the FOODI Grill and Griddle heating up right now. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. I guess I'm gonna have to talk a little bit louder. Guys, we're gonna make some cheesesteak sliders just in time for game day. You know, this weekend it's going down. I'm a Southern California boy, so you know I'm gonna be rooting for them Rams. We're doing this just in time to get the party started. Real simple ingredients here. We got some shaved sirloin, some provolone cheese. You know you gotta have those Hawaiian rolls if you're gonna do sliders, right? Little Uncle Steve shake, some pepper, some onion. We're using the griddle setting. We're using the griddle plate. We have it preheating at 400. When we start cooking, we are going to leave the lid open and get everything sauteed up. We're gonna start with the peppers and onions, and then we're gonna work on getting the steak in there, get that seasoned up and ready to roll, combine everything, start building the sandwich, and then we are actually going to shut down that lid and get some heat going from the top when we build those sliders, so everything crisps up on the top. We're gonna baste it with a garlic butter. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna crisp up from the top, toast from the bottom, and melt everything in between. All right, so just that simple, and it's gonna be amazing, okay? So nothing left to do but to get started. I've already set up the garlic butter that we're gonna use. 1 stick of salted butter, about a teaspoon of minced garlic goes in, and about a tablespoon of freshly cut parsley. Really simple. I'm not adding salt or pepper to it because, like I said, the butter's already salted. If you use unsalted butter, throw some salt in there, okay? The next thing you need to do to get ready to go, and it's already been done, is slice up the pepper into like julienne style. I'm using red pepper. You can use any color you like. I like the sweeter red pepper in with this dish. Next thing, we got half of a sweet onion that we're gonna slice up, get nice thin slices so it all kind of cooks up at the same time. Preheated and staying out of the food. So let's go ahead and start sauteing these onions and the bell pepper. And we're gonna use a little olive oil, a little salt and pepper. And again, this is gonna kind of come together quickly. We're gonna get the onions and peppers sauteed up. Then we're gonna add our beef in there. That's gonna cook quickly because it's real thin. Combine those together. We're gonna pull them off that griddle, wipe down the griddle, get those rolls on there, and then we'll start building the sandwich on the griddle plate, okay? So we're using the griddle plate this whole time. I think I kind of over-talked this one, but you'll see what I'm talking about as we get going, all right? Trust me, you're gonna love this one. You're gonna love it so much that you wanna hit that thumbs up right now before we get to the Ninja FOODI Grill Station, otherwise known as, that's right, my kitchen island. Let's get going. Okay, like I said, we're ready to add food to it. Got the camera on the griddle. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil in there for some flavor. And then we're gonna get our onions and bell peppers on there. Hear that sizzle, baby? Okay, let's get them mixed up. One's trying to escape, get back in there. Everything wants to escape. You add some salt in there, a little pinch of salt. Help draw out that moisture. Get a little cracked black pepper in there. Woo, smelling good. Okay, we got the meat in there. We're gonna go ahead and season it up with a little Lucky Shake from Uncle Steve Shake. I'll have a link down below to Uncle Steve's website if you guys want to get yourself some. Okay, this is great for beef. I love this stuff. Get it mixed up. This beef, there's about 12 ounces to a pack. So we got 24 ounces of beef in here. We want some beefy sliders. Let these cook through, and then we'll mix in the onions and peppers. Okay, time to mix in the peppers and onions with the beef. Kind of let these cook together for a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take the beef out with the onions and peppers. We're gonna take it out of the pan here, clean out the pan, and add our Hawaiian buns to it and start working on building these sliders. I went ahead and turned down the temp on the griddle to 300 degrees. We're gonna add our bun on there. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this a little bit with the butter on the inside here. There's that garlic butter on the inside. All right, let's get the meat and peppers back on. I may have made a little too much meat for these sliders, so you could probably dial it down a little bit. There's gonna be some kind of falling off, it's fine. No stress. We got our bun on there. We added our meat and peppers and onions back on. Now it's time to cheese it up. We got some provolone here. We're looking at probably about 6 slices, unless you want it cheesy. But I think 6 slices will make it cheesy enough. All right, let's add our top bun on. Time to brush it down with the garlic butter. This is to add so much flavor to the top. And this is before we even shut the lid to crisp this up. Looking too dang good. Shut it down, give it a couple minutes, and we'll check it. All right, team, we let it go about 4 minutes. Get it nice and toasty on the top here. Looking good. We're gonna go ahead and cut into this. All right, let's cut out a slider. Right, there we go. Tasty, cheesy, beefy. Let's give it a try. All right, guys, time to try our little slider action over here. Perfect for game day. Cheers. You know it's good. I mean, you do. Got that cheesy goodness, the beefiness. Oh, love it. The peppers, the onions in there. Uncle Steve shake coming through again. Clutch with that lucky shake. It's so good. Guys, obviously I'm shooting this before the big game, but I will be making these again come Sunday. They're that good. It's that easy in the Ninja FOODI Grill and Griddle, right? If y'all want to get yourself one of these grill and griddles from Ninja, there's a link down below. Check it out. If you guys want to get any of the knives, the cutting boards, all that stuff I use in my videos, merch, all that's down below. Make sure you check out the new website, cookingwithcj.com. Got a lot of stuff going on over there, so make sure you jump on there and register for it. Oh yes, if you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, make sure you hit that join button and you become a show producer like all these lovely people over here. Help out the channel, help out your boy, right? Make sure you hit that thumbs up, comment down below who you think's gonna win this year. I know there'll be some fights in the comments, right? Listen, I hope y'all have a wonderful, wonderful week, wonderful big game. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.